So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and these are actually one of my personal favorite videos to watch on YouTube. So I'm very excited to finally be filming one of these for you guys. So if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen that I was recently in San Francisco and I picked up a new handbag. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I will go ahead and leave my Instagram name down in the description so that way you guys can go ahead and follow my day-to-day outfits and just fashion inspiration that I post. But without further ado, let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. So the purse that I picked up is actually a purse that I've been eyeing for a while. I want to say the first time that I tried it on was probably about a year ago, and I tried it on in store. I actually tried this bag on and another Gucci crossbody bag. I actually gave out one hint. So it is a crossbody bag. So I tried on two, and every time I would put it back, I'd come back home, go online, and it's like, this purse, it kept on popping in my head. Anyways, whenever I went to San Francisco, I tried it on again, and I told myself, okay, enough, I need to take this home. So I purchased the bag, and like I said, you guys already know it's a crossbody bag, and this is the lovely packaging that it comes with. I do have to be honest, so I did go ahead and already actually open it, and I try to put it back in the way that they do it, but I just can't do it as pretty as they can. So it does come with a ribbon, and they tie it, but I just could not tie it for the life of me. So it does come with a ribbon, and then obviously it does come with your receipt. And just in case you're wondering, the price for this bag is $1,690 plus tax. So that is the price for this bag, and I believe it's worth every penny. But anyways, this is a bag. As you can see, it's not very big. And here is the dust bag. Ooh. Let me put this over here. So as you guys can see, it's a really small bag. Do you guys have any guesses? I love this bag. Oh my goodness. Every time I see it, I just get these like butterflies in my stomach. I know, it's weird. It's just a purse, but it's just so beautiful. So the purse that I got is the Gucci Dionysus in the mini. So this is a crossbody bag. I believe it comes in 3 different sizes or 4 different sizes, because I know there's a smaller size, which is the wallet on the chain, which is very small for me. Then it's this size. Then I believe there's a medium and a large, and it does come with different color variations. So I did get the nude. I know that they have a different color for it. I don't exactly know what the name is, but I believe it comes in this color, a black, and a red, if I'm not mistaken. So this does have suede here on the sides, the bottom, and then whenever you open it, so it is a click closure, you do have suede all in the inside. And actually, let me go ahead and take these out. So this did come like this inside of the purse. So it did come with like the Gucci information, and then just some extra tissue paper. So I'll put that in there. Like I said, it does come with a, it is a, it is a, gosh, I can't think of the name. Push closure. So you do have to go ahead and push here on the side in order for your bag to open, and then in the inside it is all suede. I'm actually thinking about doing some research and spraying the suede down just to protect it, because I am kind of worried, especially with my kids. I have 2 little kids, for it to get dirty or get stained. So I do definitely want to do my research. But yeah, it's pretty good size purse. I do need to go ahead and get a purse that's roomy enough for my essentials, which would be my wallet, which is usually just a card case or a small wallet, my 6-ring key holder, my cell phone, some sunglasses, and like some lip balm. Those are my essentials that I have to carry in every single purse. So every time I transfer a purse, I have to have, like I said, my cell phone, my my lip balm or chapstick, my card holder, and my 6-ring key holder, especially whenever it comes to these kind of purses. So I actually bought my 6-ring key holder because I have another purse that has suede inside, and it really does a good job at protecting it so that your keys don't scratch the inside. But yeah, this is a purse that I got, and I am very excited. So let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on. It is pretty lengthy in size. I would compare it, the length of the chain, to the Chanel wallet on a chain. It is pretty long. I'm 5'7" myself. I weigh around 130 pounds. And to me, it hits me right at the hip. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So this is what it looks like on, and to tell you the truth, every time I put it on, I'm like, I love it. I can't wait to style this with some shorts, some cutoff shorts, and like a white t-shirt. The thing about this purse is that I think that it's very versatile because of the hardware. You can go ahead and dress it up or dress it down, and it still will look great. This purse does go ahead and go on your shoulder as well, which I really like that you have that option. So it's still pretty. It's very, very comfortable. I will say, whenever I was in San Francisco, it was obviously much colder temperature here than Southern California. So I did have a coat, and while I was out, I tried to wear it on my shoulder, and the straps kept on falling. So if you are wearing some bulky clothing, I don't think on the shoulder would be the best. I did have to eventually switch and do crossbody, which is fine. I actually think that it looks better that way. But if you do have the option to do both. But yeah, this is my new purse, and I couldn't be happier. If you guys have any questions, definitely go ahead and leave them down in the comments area. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Definitely go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.